Big changes are coming to Magic Kingdom, as Disney just announced the closing dates for Rivers of America, Tom Sawyer Island, and the Liberty Square Riverboat to make way for a new Cars-themed area. The final day to experience these classic attractions is July 6th, 2025, with closures beginning on July 7th. The new land will be called Piston Peak National Park, inspired by the national park featured in Pixar's Planes, Fire and Rescue. Imagineers are designing Piston Peak to blend seamlessly with Frontierland, using parkitecture to harmonize buildings with the natural environment. The area will feature trees, snow-capped mountains, waterfalls, rivers, and geysers, creating an immersive wilderness experience. 2 new attractions are planned, including a rally race through rugged terrain, complete with geysers and mud holes. Each ride vehicle will have its own personality, name, and number, enhancing the storytelling aspect of the attraction. A new original character, Ranger J. Audubon Woodlore, will serve as the park ranger, paying homage to classic Disney cartoons. The design ensures that guests in other areas of the park won't see or hear the Cars-themed elements, preserving the immersive experience of each land. Construction will begin shortly after the closures, with the area expected to open in the coming years as part of the largest expansion in Magic Kingdom's history. The Walt Disney World Railroad will adjust its route during construction, operating only between Main Street and Fantasyland until the new areas are complete. Piston Peak National Park aims to continue the storytelling tradition of Frontierland, celebrating the American wilderness and the spirit of adventure. This expansion also paves the way for the future Villains Land, which will be located behind the new Cars-themed area. Stay tuned for more updates on Piston Peak National Park and the transformation of Magic Kingdom's Frontierland. If you enjoyed this update, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay informed on all things Disney.